How to set margin in Microsoft Word in your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this. Go to Word application, tap the plus sign on the upper right side on your screen, go to blank document, and now here in document, tap the arrow up on the lower right side on your screen, and go to home. Here in home, go to layout, and layout you can see here the margins. You can tap this, and now you can see here the option of margin here. The normal, the narrow, moderate, wide, and the mirror. So this is the option of margin on your Word. And also you can use the custom margin by tap the custom margin below. And you can set the top, left, right, and bottom. So for my example, I use the moderate margin. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set margin in Microsoft Word in your mobile phone.